Osaka, Japan Travel Guide. Welcome to Osaka, Japan's kitchen and a city where tradition meets modernity in a vibrant, flavorful blend. In this travel guide, we'll take you on a journey through Osaka's rich history, mouth-watering cuisine, and hidden gems. Let's dive into the heart of Kansai. History of Osaka. Our story begins centuries ago when Osaka was a flourishing hub of trade and culture. Known as Naniwa in ancient times, it served as the nation's capital and a key port for foreign trade. The city's strategic location made it a melting pot of influences, which you can still see today. One of Osaka's most iconic landmarks, Osaka Castle, stands as a testament to its glorious past. Built in the late 16th century by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, the castle played a pivotal role in unifying Japan. Its imposing structure and beautiful grounds offer a glimpse into the city's feudal era. Osaka is a city that proudly preserves its cultural heritage. Experience a traditional tea ceremony, where the meticulous preparation and presentation of matcha tea symbolize harmony, respect, and tranquility. Or visit during the sumo wrestling tournaments to witness Japan's ancient sport up close. No trip to Osaka is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Known as the nation's kitchen, Osaka is a paradise for food lovers. From the sizzling takoyaki, crispy octopus balls cooked to perfection, to the savory okonomiyaki, a Japanese pancake loaded with your choice of ingredients, the flavors here are unparalleled. Beyond its historical and culinary heritage, Osaka is a city of modern wonders. Spend a thrilling day at Universal Studios Japan, where cutting-edge attractions and beloved characters come to life. For panoramic views of the city, head to the Umeda Sky Building, a futuristic marvel with an open-air observation deck. And of course, no visit to Osaka would be complete without some shopping. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion in Shinsaibashi or quirky, youth-oriented boutiques in Amerikamura, Osaka has it all. Travel tips. Traveling in Osaka is a breeze with its efficient public transportation system. The Osaka Metro and JR lines connect you to all major attractions. Don't forget to grab an Osaka Amazing Pass for unlimited travel and discounts. And remember, the locals are friendly and always willing to help. Learn a few basic Japanese phrases to enhance your experience and show your appreciation. Universal Studios Japan is a must-visit for thrill-seekers and movie buffs alike. From the wizarding world of Harry Potter to the exhilarating Jurassic Park rides, there's something for everyone. Don't miss the seasonal events like Halloween Horror Nights and the Universal Cool Japan attractions. Umeda Sky Building. For breathtaking views of Osaka, head to the Umeda Sky Building. This architectural marvel offers a 360-degree view from its floating garden observatory. Visit at sunset for a truly magical experience. Shopping districts. Osaka's shopping districts are a blend of the chic and the quirky. Shinsaibashi is home to high-end boutiques and department stores, while Amerikamura, or American Village, is a hub for youth culture, vintage shops, and unique fashion finds. Namba Yasaka Shrine. For a unique cultural experience, visit Namba Yasaka Shrine. Its lion head-shaped stage is said to bring good fortune and is a striking contrast to the modern buildings surrounding it. Day trips from Osaka. Nara. Just a short train ride from Osaka, Nara is a city steeped in history. Famous for its friendly, free-roaming deer and the magnificent Todaiji Temple, Nara is a perfect day trip to explore Japan's ancient capital. Kobe. Another nearby destination is Kobe, known for its picturesque harbor and world-renowned Kobe beef. Spend a day exploring Kobe Harborland, visit the beautiful Ikuta Shrine, and treat yourself to a luxurious Kobe beef meal. Osaka is a city that captivates the heart with its rich history, delectable cuisine, and dynamic energy. As you explore its streets, you'll discover a place where every corner tells a story, and every meal is a celebration. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, sayonara.